Welcome to England. Hello, love. You doing all right? The reason I'm talking like that is because we're live from London. Welcome to England. Hey guys, you doing all right? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and we made it to England. Oh my god. Welcome to a very special British edition. That's right guys, we made it to England. We've been in the country for a little over 24 hours, so of course adjusting to the jet lag. Put a damper on things, but we're here. Can you see this? You can see it?
Now I can.
Okay, I just realized that. Okay guys, so we're walking around. We finally made it from our Airbnb, which is quite a whiles away, and we ended up actually walking to the main attractions. So we'll do the final step count later. Right now we are walking to the Buckingham Palace. We just left Piccadilly Circus, which is right way down there. And I'm not sure what this is, but some pretty cool horses here. So we're gonna show you guys my view of the main attractions, how to cut some costs and stuff like that. Let's do it. So right now we're next to this road, which is called the Mall, I believe. You guys probably recognize this from like large crowds gathering here when they shut the road down for like whether Parliament's coming or the Queen, events like that. At least that's what Seth told me. So. Time-lapse show, and then now we've got to walk all the way down here to get to there. Okay, doesn't really make sense, but whatever. So we're done at the palace. Yes, I know I'm in a completely different outfit. It's actually a travel hack that I want to share with you guys. If you know you're going to be out and about seeing a bunch of things and you want to post pictures that you don't want it to be all in the same outfit, like monotonous, then what you can do is embarrass your significant other, put a dress on top of your jeans, then slide your jeans off or your pants, and I still have my tank top on under here that I was wearing initially. So I got a bomb picture in a different outfit. Thank you, Seth, by the way. Bye-bye, Buckingham Palace. So now we are headed to... So we're going to the London Eye, but we're not going in it. And then we're also going to... Big Ben.
Fun fact.
Big Ben is actually the name of the bell at the top of the tower next to the Houses of Parliament. The tower itself is called the Elizabeth Tower. So, you want to sound good and proper, then go ahead and call it by its real name, Elizabeth Tower. One of my favorite things is how many people use the park. These people are playing cricket right now, which is a traditional European kind of baseball type game. It looks really fun. You guys want to see what good karma is? I've been making him take my photos. He's been taking my photos all day long. He just found a 5-pound crispy bill on the ground. Good karma. Good job, Seth. Fortunately, we knew this ahead of time, but maybe some of you don't, so I figured I'd share it. The Elizabeth Tower, or Big Ben as the everyday person calls it, is under construction. So the entire tower is covered in scaffolding, so you can't see it, but I figured we'd go show you guys, plus we wanted to visit the area anyway. As that is Elizabeth Tower. And the Houses of Parliament along the way, so on the other side should be the River Thames. Alright guys, did another wardrobe change in the park, so we left St. James's Park and now we're walking in Hyde Park. which turns into, basically we're ending up in Kensington Gardens. So then we're gonna grab a bite to eat and call it a day. I'm gonna give you guys the final step count because we're exhausted. It's been a long day. Alrighty guys, so Seth just gave it his thumbs up. We're gonna try some fish and chips. Guys, we made it back. We could not wait to sit down. We're so exhausted. But yeah, that's what happens when you walk. Drum roll please. What was it?
16.2.
Holy crap. We walked 16.2 miles today alone. So we're exhausted and calling it a night, guys. So that is how you do London on the painful side. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and stay tuned for more of my London content and just travel content in general. We're always doing that on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can join the crew. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, that was kind of Australian. Okay, I'll see you guys.